Hi everyone, this is David. I'm back again making another video. Today we're going to be working on a Brompton bicycle. We have a rear wheel. Unfortunately, one of the spokes is broken, and Tom is kind enough to help out to show me how to take off the plastic piece on the back of the wheel. We're going to take off the sprocket, I guess. We're going to put on the spoke, and we're going to get the wheel back to where it was.
All right, so we have the center of the wheel right here. What actually holds the sprocket and the guard on is this circular clip right here. This that has the brake in it. So what you want to do to remove that is take a small screwdriver and insert it between the clip and the hub, and you just want to pry gently. Yeah, so we have the clip partially lifted out of the groove. We're just going to hold the fingers over here so it doesn't fly up, and we're just going to pry gently around the edge, and eventually it should, there it goes.
Oh, perfect. Thanks, Tom.
The whole assembly comes right off. It's important that if you want to be able to adjust your spokes later on, that you put a little grease on them, grease on the nipples. So I like to put a little bit on the base of the nipple and then a little bit on the threads as well.
Can you show me what type of greases?
This is white lightning grease.
So right now Tom is taking the spoke and he's putting it inside the rim.
Attempting,
tightening it up. We have to bend it a little bit to get it in there. It's doing a great job.
There we go.
And we're going to put the spoke nipple and tighten it up, just like so. That's a Phillips head screwdriver or flathead? Flathead, right?
Flathead.
Yeah. There we go. It's Tom. He's with the spoke wrench. We're tightening up the spoke right now.
Getting close. Where the heck does this thing go? Oh, it goes down here, right. That's pretty good. Getting the circlip back on can be a little difficult. Requires quite a bit of pressure. There it goes, and it's back on, all together.